In this video, we'll be discussing various actions available on Appmaker dashboard. In the dashboard, actions can be provided for various widgets on the home page. When you click on widgets on the app will work according to the action provided. For that, actions need to be assigned to the menu items on the home page. For easy understanding, we have provided the menu name as the action in itself. The app home page and a menu widget is shown here. Now, let's see the different actions that can be accessed on each menu item in the home page. The results are shown in the last part of the video. No action. To begin with, I have provided the title as no action for the first menu item. Therefore, when you click on this menu item, nothing will happen. For this, select the menu item and choose the particular action from Appmaker action drop-down given on the right-hand side of the dashboard. Click Save to save the changes. For the next menu item, Open Webview action is assigned. This action basically opens a web page inside the app itself. For this, select the menu item and choose the particular action from Appmaker action drop-down given on the right-hand side of the dashboard. You need to provide a URL in the Choose URL field. In this action, the page will open inside the app itself. For demonstration, let's give the provided Appmaker website URL itself. Click on Save. Next menu item is Open URL. The Open URL action basically opens the browser inside the app. When you click on Open URL menu item, it will be redirected to a browser and the web page will be opened in the default browser inside your mobile device. To add this action, select the menu item and choose the particular action from Appmaker action drop-down given on the right-hand side of the dashboard. You need to provide a URL in the Choose URL field. Click Save to complete the action. The next action is Open in-app pages. An app can have multiple number of in-app pages. With the Open in-app pages action assigned to a menu item, you can choose to open any page that you select from the available in drop-down list under the page list. For this, select the menu item and choose a particular action from the Appmaker action drop-down given on the right-hand side of the dashboard. Click Save to save the changes. The next action is Open all products. As the name suggests, when you click on this menu item, all products in your store will be opened in the list view or grid view. For this, select the menu item and choose in particular action from Appmaker action drop-down given on the right-hand side of the dashboard. Click Save to save the changes. The next action is Open Search. The Open Search action is used to redirect to the search page, so you can search for products, categories, etc. For this, select the menu item and choose the particular action from Appmaker action drop-down given on the right-hand side of the dashboard. Click Save. The next menu item is Open Single Product. As the name suggests, this action lists all the products in a particular set which are available in your store. For this, select the menu item and choose the particular action from Appmaker action drop-down, and then select a particular product ID. Click Save to save the changes. The next menu item is Open Collection. Open Collection is basically for opening products by category. In Shopify app, collection refers to product categories. For instance, if it's a shopping store or an electronic store, the electronic store, the subcategories will be mobile, laptops, other electronic devices. And, if you want to open the products in a specific category, we can use the Open Collection action and select the category from the Appmaker action drop-down below and save it. So, when you click on this option Collection, products will be listed based on the collection selected. The next menu item is Open Product by Tag. Open Product by Tag lists all the products with a specific tag, such as color, size, etc. Usually different tags will be assigned to the products in the website. These tags will be available in the drop-down and will be displayed if selected by each category. For instance, if you have a tag for sales products, and this action will display all the products under that particular category. The next menu item is Open Blog. Open Blog action is basically displays blog pages inside your website. All the blog pages will be listed in the drop-down when we use this action. You can select the blog name and it will be shown inside the appendix itself. For this, select the menu item and choose the particular action from Appmaker action drop-down given on the right-hand side of the dashboard. The next menu item is Open Page. Open Page action is used to show different pages inside your website. The menu item can be assigned to this action by selecting the page from the pages list. You can also provide the title for that page. Click Save. So that's about the actions. Next I'll be showing how these actions are reflected inside the app. So here you can see the app on a real device, on the left-hand side, and the app dashboard on the right-hand side. So let's look at the action items that we added earlier in this video. The first menu item that we provided was no action, and the action provider is no action. Hence when we click on that menu item, nothing happens because the action provider is no action. The second menu item that we provided is Open Webview, and the URL provided is Appmaker website. www.appmaker.xyz. When we click on Open Webview menu item, you can see that the Appmaker website loads inside the app itself, and not the browser. That's how Open Web Action works. Next is Open URL Action, and I have provided URL Google URL. When you click on this Open URL, you can see that the app is redirected to the default browser. That's how Open URL works. It opens a browser. The URL that we provided will open inside the default browser inside your device. Next is Open an App Page. The app page that we selected was testing. And, when I click on the Open an App Page action, you can see the testing page. The next action is Open All Products. Open All Products action opens all the products to list all the products which are available inside the store. Here, you can see that all the products are listed as the product listing pages. Next is Open Search. So as the name suggests, when we click on the Open Search menu item, you can see that the search page of the app is open. Next is Open Single Product action, which basically opens one single product. Here, we provided the product here, and when we click on Open Product you can see that the single product detail pages are open. Next is Open Collection, and I have provided the collection as dresses, so all the products inside the collection dresses will be shown inside the app. Next is Open Product by Tag, so all the products with the specific tag will be opened, so when I click on Open Product by Tag you can see that the product with the specific tags is opening. Finally, the Open Blog. When we click on the Open Blog action, you can see the blog page inside the web page, and if we click on the Open Page action you can see the pages. Thank you.